In front of me is Google Pixel 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. First of all, open Settings and scroll all the way down to tap on System. Then select Gestures, click on one-handed mode, and if you are using Trick's navigation, scroll all the way down. Then click on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut to activate it. Select Got It in the pop-up, and to use one-handed mode, tap on the shortcut. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to switch it off, click on the same shortcut or tap on this area at the top. You can also swipe it up. To disable shortcut, you need to click on the same switcher. If you are using gestures though, I need to change my navigation real quick to show you. You can use this switcher next to use one-handed mode instead. Make sure that pause screen into reach is on and swipe down from the bottom of your screen. Go back the same way as before. To disable one-handed mode completely, you need to tap on the same, now purple switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!